When it comes to home improvement projects, replacing your windows is one of the best investments you can make. Not only do new windows enhance your home's curb appeal, but they also improve energy efficiency and overall comfort. For homeowners in Gilbert, Arizona, double-hung windows have become a popular choice due to their classic design, versatility, and practicality. But what if you're on a budget? Luckily, Gilbert offers a variety of affordable double-hung window replacement options without compromising quality. Why choose double-hung windows? Double-hung windows feature two operable sashes that move up and down, allowing you to open both the top and bottom sections for optimal ventilation. This design makes them incredibly versatile for Gilbert's climate, where balancing airflow and temperature is key. They are easy to clean, especially models with tilt-in sashes, and their timeless appearance complements nearly any home style, from modern to traditional. What to look for in affordable double-hung windows? Before diving into the options, it's important to know what to prioritize when choosing double-hung windows. Energy efficiency. Gilbert's hot summers demand windows with excellent insulation. Look for models with features like low-E glass, argon gas fills, and insulated frames to reduce energy bills. Durability. Your windows should withstand Arizona's intense sun without warping or fading. Vinyl and fiberglass are popular frame materials due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. Customization. While staying within budget, explore options for customizable finishes and hardware that match your home's aesthetic. Warranty. A solid warranty can provide peace of mind, ensuring that your investment is protected for years to come. Affordable double-hung window options in Gilbert. Here are some of the best affordable options available in Gilbert. Vinyl double-hung windows. Vinyl is a cost-effective and energy-efficient material that has become a favorite among budget-conscious homeowners. Brands like Pella and Simonton offer affordable vinyl double-hung windows with energy-saving features. These windows resist fading, require minimal maintenance, and are often available in a range of colors and finishes to suit your home. Fiberglass double-hung windows. Fiberglass windows provide superior strength and durability while maintaining an affordable price point. Brands such as Anderson and Marvin offer budget-friendly fiberglass options that perform well in Gilbert's hot, dry climate. Fiberglass frames also expand and contract less than vinyl, providing a tighter seal over time. Wood-clad double-hung windows. If you're looking for a more traditional aesthetic without breaking the bank, consider wood-clad windows. While typically more expensive than vinyl or fiberglass, some brands, like JELD-WEN, offer cost-effective wood-clad double-hung windows with a durable exterior finish that minimizes maintenance. DIY-friendly window kits. For handy homeowners looking to save on labor costs, DIY window replacement kits are an excellent choice. Many local retailers and online stores provide comprehensive kits with easy-to-follow instructions. Be sure to measure carefully and prepare for a bit of elbow grease to get the job done right. Finding the right installer in Gilbert. Selecting the right installer is just as important as choosing the windows themselves. Reputable local contractors understand the unique challenges of Gilbert's climate and can recommend products tailored to your needs. When seeking quotes, look for companies that offer free consultations and transparent pricing, have positive reviews and references from previous customers, provide warranties not only for the product but also for their installation services, financing and incentives. Many Gilbert-based window companies offer financing plans to make your replacement project more affordable. Additionally, Arizona residents may qualify for energy efficiency rebates or tax credits when upgrading to windows that meet certain energy standards. Be sure to explore these options to maximize your savings. Final thoughts. Replacing your windows doesn't have to break the bank. By focusing on affordable materials like vinyl or fiberglass and working with a trusted local installer, you can enjoy the benefits of new double-hung windows without overspending. Not only will you enhance your home's appearance, but you'll also improve energy efficiency and comfort in Gilbert's challenging climate. Take the first step by exploring your options and getting quotes from local providers. With the right planning, you'll enjoy beautiful, functional windows that add value to your home, without stretching your budget.